We wanted to become a business owner because we wanted the financial freedom to do what we want, when we wanted it. We also wanted to become a presence in our area as far as helping out with the schools. We wanted to be able to go anywhere we wanted to go. As a next step in our lives, we wanted our life to be just a little bit easier.
Well, definitely the vibrant colors. We were very attracted to the theme, to their actual products, what they're actually selling. The shaved ice, a very popular thing right now. So the truck, the music, we were all for it. Very, very, very attracted to it.
Yes, in the business operation, I was attracted to that. I like how smooth it runs. I like the business being more like a partnership versus just like a franchise. I like how it's laid out for you to make it a lot easier. So we were very attracted to the business part of it as well.
It's been great. Every step of the way, I feel like all the information, all the knowledge that has been given to us, it makes us feel very confident about our future. We enjoy learning all the different techniques, all the different food products that we need to use to help us become successful. The whole team has been very great with just helping us to grow and to become part of the Tikiz family.